Okay folks, today we're going to do a video tutorial on the final piece of the Simple Scripts model in Bluehost that we want to and basically what we're going to do, what we think it wise to do, is just kind of package all of these, well, some of these together to show you why all of these Simple Script installs show up here and why they're offered and all of these things. So what we're going to do is we're going to just to kind of give you a big picture view, folks, what we're going to do is we're going to assume that you're going to install WordPress. Okay, I've installed WordPress. Now what do I do? Well, when you install WordPress, what you're going to need is a WordPress theme. And again, you don't need to pay for these. Once you just come and sign up for our offer, we give you the whole WordPress video tutorial series. That's from signing up for a Bluehost account to setting the website up, putting the plugins in, what plugins mean, uploading templates, just structuring your templates, navigation bars, posts, SEO, everything you need to know about WordPress. We teach you so. But for example purposes, what we're going to do is say, okay, we're going to use WordPress and we're going to need a WordPress theme. Okay, we started. We got a Bluehost account, we got our hosting, we got our domain. So this is a scenario with Simple Scripts, folks. You got your hosting, you got your domain name. You assigned your domain name. Well, you got your primary domain name, and then you, let's just say, bought another domain name as an add-on, as we talked about. So you're going to use the content management system WordPress. So you're going to use WordPress. Okay, what you're going to do is, and this is a premium service, we're not going to go into it. However, you're going to use WordPress and you're going to do the Simple Script install on WordPress. The next thing, theoretically anyway, that you would need is some sort of WordPress theme. And like we said, we got tons of the top WordPress themes available to all of our WordPress classroom and WordPress students for free. So we're just telling you this. So you'll need a WordPress theme. Okay, you got a WordPress theme. You've installed your WordPress install. You picked your WordPress theme. Now you're going to look at what other of these Simple Script installs you might need. You don't need all of these. You don't even need one from every category, but you have to determine what is best for your business, for your products, and folks, just for your services. So we got a WordPress theme. Well, we got a WordPress, we got a host, which is Bluehost. We got a domain name hosted by Bluehost. We got a website platform, which is WordPress, and then we got our theme when we don't need a designer. So we're going to go down and we're going to say, oh, okay, but how will we keep track of our business expenses and those types of things? Again, you need to look at Sugar SRM, and you can do certainly you could do a Simple Script. Certainly you can do an install on WordPress, just like with the themes. So assuming you want to use this business management software, which is super easy and is great, you can install it right here on WordPress with your theme. So we're going to go down and see what other services we might need. So we got a content management system, which is WordPress. So we don't really need anything in here unless you might want to check out PHP, as we said. Be careful with that. Now that we have that, you may say, and this is hypothetical, we don't have any products to sell. What are we going to sell on our website? Well, Bluehost gives you rock bottom pricing. They went to a partnership with Doba, and I think they saved all their customers like 26% on both the purchase or the wholesale price, which is going to add 26% to your bottom line. So you can go straight to the Doba website if you want to, but you're going to be paying way more than you need to. So you go through Doba. We went through Doba. We got our work, so we went through Doba. We found some products that we like to sell, a product line. So now this is where we're at, folks. Now we have hosting, we have Bluehost, we have hosting, we have a custom domain with Bluehost. We chose this content management system to host our website platform. We got a WordPress theme, and we got our Sugar CRM. Business accounting. So now we've selected our products. But we are on the way, and as we said, folks, all you have to do is become one of our WordPress students, and we're just going to open up your eyes or your sinus cavities like Vicks Vapor Rub when you got a cold. We're just going to open your sinus cavities up, make you understand how big this thing is. But we got a product, but now we need a payment solution. Well, we can use one of these, or we can use PayPal. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to keep on looking, and it'll be an education model, so we don't need anything there. We'll keep forms and surveys in mind, but we're not ready for that yet, and we don't need any of these forms yet, or forums, but we're going to keep our eye on Plig, and we're going to keep our eye on vanilla forums. So we're going to go on down. We know that guest books are stupid. We might as well start a forum instead of doing a guest book. So we might want to open up a OSS ticket just in case somebody's having a problem receiving their product. So we're going to install this right on our website. So all of these functionalities, folks, are in one place for you. It's a beautiful thing. We're going to need, when people come to our website, and if they are not ready to buy any more information, we need to start a mailing list. So we're going to look at iContacts, keeping in mind that these others are they're free, but they're crappy. So we're going to be serious about our email list that comes to our website. So we're going to select them. We also, since we have photos, we got product photos from Doba Dropshipping. We're going to need a photo gallery. We're going to need some sort of photo gallery host, and we are going to assign those to a subdomain, those photos, but we're going to paste them in on our website. So we're going to choose one of these services to host our on-site media, so we don't have to just directly go out and create the images ourselves. So we don't need base camps. We really don't, since we're selling products, we may not need an RSS feed. Site lock, we understand that Bluehost is really great at protecting our site, and our internet service provider is giving us this, so we might not need this, but we are interested in Plig, because when people come, we want to hear about their experiences with our products that we're selling from Doba. So we're going to look at installing Plig also. Wikistats, this is a great product, but again, as we learned in the video tutorial, Google Analytics is free, and Google Analytics is more robust than this, and there's more support for Google Analytics. So we're going to go with Google Analytics, and we're going to forgo that. We found a great email client, so we really don't need web calendars. We learned that the round cube and the squirrel mail of Bluehost is a very basic platform, and besides, we are going to use iContact anyway, and we'll just use a Gmail solution instead of using RoundCube, because it's just not that great. Website builders, we don't need any of this, because we are using what? We're using a WordPress platform, one-click install premium WordPress themes, correct? We are going to go get all the plugins we need. You're going to become a student of mine at my WordPress SEO Academy. This is what you need to do, because we are going to show you how to do it, and we're going to show you how to do it big. So we really don't need any of these. We're going to say we don't need web design either. Media wikis, document wikis, we're going to be interested in these once we find out how our products are selling. So folks, all we're telling you with these simple script installs is to everything you need to operate your business, even if you don't have a product. Go down to Doba Dropshipping and get some products to sell, folks. Everything you need to run your business is here. So folks, as we end this simple scripts video tutorial, we just want to say that we will be right back, and we're just going to finish up. We're going to finish up with our advanced series, which is going to be really, really fast, and that ends your video tutorial on Bluehost cPanel.